So today our new topic is quantity of bricks, cement, sand in a brick wall. So we have to find bricks, cement, sand in a brick wall. Brick wall. For example, we have a wall with the length of 20 feet, with the height of 10 feet, and the thickness is 9 inch. First, we have to define about size of brick. The size will be 9 4.5 into 3, the standard size of a brick. So total number of brickwork is L cross H cross thickness. So this is the formula for the number of bricks. So as we know that length is 20 foot, height is 10 foot, thickness is 9 inch, but 9 divided by 12, 0.75 foot. So multiply 0.75 foot. So total number of brick will be 150 CFT. So this is a wall per 20 to 10 feet. So suppose we have 20% of mortar. So 20% of mortar, so we have to deduct that. So deduction for mortar, 20 divided by 100, because this is 20%, multiply the total, which is 150. So it will be 30 CFT. So now we have to deduct from the net weight. So net brickwork is equal to total brickwork minus volume of mortar. Which is 150 minus 30, 120 CFT. The net brick is. So now we have to find the number of bricks. Number of bricks is equal to net brickwork divided by volume of brickwork. So net brickwork is 120 divided by volume of brick, 0.75 multiply 0.37 multiply 0.25, which is 120 divided by 0.0694. So the total brick will be 1729 NOS numbers. Now we have let assume or add the wastage. So it will be 5%. So 5 divided by 100 multiply total. So it will be 86 NOS. So 86 plus 1729. So it will be 18, 15 numbers of brick. The total brick will be 18 the total brick will be 18, 15. So now we have to find the motor, volume of motor. So volume of motor we have to find with the ratio of 1:4. So it is the ratio for the motor. So we have to find volume. So total volume is cement and cement and sand. So total volume is 30 CFT. It is the total volume 30 CFT. So cement is equal to 1:4. So 1 is cement and 4 is sand. So 1 multiply total volume multiply 1.27. It is the density for motor, divided by sum of 1:4, which is 5, divided by 5. So it will give us 38, divided by 5, so which is 7.62 CFT. So it is in CFT. Now we have to convert it into bags, as we know that in one bag volume of one bag cement is 1.25. So 7.62 divided by 1.25, so it will be 6 bags. So it is the total number of bags. Now we have to find sand. So for sand is equal with the ratio of 4, which is 4 multiply total 30 multiply 1.27 divided by 5, which is the sum. So it will give us 1524 divided by 5. So total will be 30.48 CFT. It is sand. So the